All right.
What's going on, guys? My name is Dave, and I'm here with Tiny Joshy.
Yes.
We got 12 balls here, basically 2 hobby boxes. And basically we're just going to open and break the balls right here.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Hopefully we get some good ones. First ball.
Alright, let's get a zoom up with a name here. What we
See
got?
that? It looks like, I think I saw that one before. I think that might be Andre Dawson.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah,
it does look like Andre Dawson.
Let's see if we got him. Yeah, Andre Dawson.
Sweet.
1977 NL Rookie of the Year, 8-time All-Star. There's the Hall of Famer. 3-time Gold Glove winner, 4-time Silver Slugger, 1987 league leader in home runs and RBIs, 1994 Hutch Award winner, and in the Hall of Fame last year in 2010. Good start.
Nice.
So we got the Hall of Famer in the box already. Now I got the Rising Star and the special inscription, at least. Ball number 2.
Alright, let's see here.
We got an inscription. Ron Hansen, it looks like. 1960 AL Rookie of the Year.
Yeah.
I'm going to say it's Ron Hansen. That's
Perfect.
Ron Hansen. 1960 All-Star, 1960 AL Rookie of the Year. 1960 Top 5 MVP voting.
Beautiful.
I don't know too much about this guy, but it looks like he only did something in 1960. Alright, second ball, third ball here.
So we still got a Rising Star left.
Yeah, Rising Star and a special inscribed ball. I didn't cut it all the way.
That last one was good, at least it was inscribed.
Uh-oh, I cut the thing. Well, we already know it's going to be Jack Clark. It's the first time I ever cut one of those. 4-time All-Star, 2-time Silver Slugger Award, 7-time Top 10 home runs. It's a nice autograph, though.
Yes.
Ripper, baby. That's for my boy, Yes Man, Joe the Ripper. This is Jack Clark the Ripper, the first Ripper. He's going to like that one. Just try not to cut anything. Usually they're supposed to be at the bottom of the box of the cards, so. Alright, let's see what we got here. Looks like Willie Hernandez. Something like that, maybe. 84 AL Cy Young. I don't think he was a pitcher, so Walter Hernandez, maybe? Willie Hernandez, yeah. 3-time All-Star, 1984 AL Cy Young, 1984 AL MVP, 1984 AL TSN Pitcher of the Year.
Sweet.
2 more balls in this hobby box.
This is going to be the Rising Star right here.
That's what we called it.
Little Jason Hayward, maybe?
Yeah, I already have him. Why not? Ooh, looks like David or Dan. Donovan Tate, number 3 overall pick, 2009. Here's your Rising Star. You were right. Planning on playing both football and baseball at University of North Carolina, the Tar Heels. Son of former NFL running back Lars Tate. So this is our Rising Star. Hopefully he's rising. From what I know, I don't think he's in the major league yet. Last ball. Got another inscription here. 1970 Cy Young. Is that Jim Palmer? Jim Perry? Let's see. Jim Perry. 3-time All-Star, 1970 AL Cy Young Award winner, 2-time 20-game winner, brother of the Hall of Fame pitcher Gaylord Perry. Second winningest brother combination history at the plate. Perry was a switch hitter.
Nice.
There's the first hobby box.
There's the first 6. And folks, we got another box left. 6 more.
Alright.
It's 12 balls.
You can count.
12 balls.
Marty something. AL Rookie of the Year. Oh, 95. This should be something like that. Yeah. Marty Cordova, 1995 AL Rookie of the Year. 540 RBIs in 952 games of his career.
Alright.
He didn't amount to be too much, I think, after being a Rookie of the Year for sure. Second ball in the hobby box. AL MVP.
Ooh.
Carly, maybe. It's a tough one to read.
Yeah.
Steve Garvey. Okay. 1974 and 78 All-Star MVP. 1974 NL MVP. 10-time All-Star. 78 and 84 NLCS MVP. That's a good one.
Yes, sir.
Still not my Hall of Famer yet. Still got the Rising Star. It's the 9th ball. Uh-oh.
Wow.
John Jason Castro, maybe. Number 15. Let's see what we got. Jason Castro. Number 10 overall pick in 2008 by the Houston Astros. Number 1 rated Houston Astros prospect, as reported by Baseball America 2009. Played for the U.S. team in 2009. MLB Futures game. Hit a 3-run home run. Played collegiate ball at Stanford. So we got a smart boy here.
Nice.
There's our Rising Star. Again, this is probably the second Rising Star. I don't think it's in the majors yet. Here's our 4th ball. This pack. Oh. Uh-oh. There. This looks like the special inscription ball. Paul and Rick. This is a double one? Rick and Paul Ruschel. On August 21st, 1975, the only siblings combined to pitch a shutout. That's a really cool ball.
Yeah.
3-time All-Star and 2-time Gold Glove winner. 120 games for the Cubs and 77 nicknamed Big Daddy. So you got brothers in here.
Look at the ball. Nice. 2-6. No signatures.
I don't remember seeing that one on the checklist. 11th ball. American League ball. There's a special inscription again. Something Cooper. Carl Cooper. 80-83 RBI champ. Especially. Oh, Cecil Cooper.
Nice.
Alright. I like that. Big boy. 5-time All-Star, 2 times Gold Glove winner. Top 10 in AL or an MVP vote in 4 consecutive years. 2-time RBI leader. 1980 and 1983. Cecil Cooper. Not to be mistaken with Cecil Fielder. And our last ball should be the Hall of Famer.
Ty Cobb.
Nah, I wish, boy. Oh, this looks like Juan Marichal. That would be a Hall of Famer for sure. Juan Antonio Marichal. Nice. Notice Dominican Dandy, 9-time All-Star, 1965 All-Star, MVP, 6-time 20-game winner, 2-time league leader wins, 7-time top 10 in ERA, Hall of Fame in 1983. That's a good one right there. So yeah, folks, those are 12 balls right here.
Alright. Got that. That. That's it.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching. This is Tiny, Joshy, and Dave.